This is Mavic Mini, a drone that can fit in your shoe. Yes, in your shoe, and I did put the drone in my shoe for a YouTube thumbnail. That means pretty much anywhere your shoe can go, this guy can be taken with you. It is so light, portable, so let's get right into it. Today, I'm not going to bore you with the specs as you can find those in a billion other YouTube videos. We're instead going to focus more on the experience of actually flying this drone from a beginner's perspective and see some of the reasons you may want to look into getting it. I purchased the Fly More combo and I recommend you do the same. It comes with 3 batteries in total, valued at $55 each. You're going to need more than that one it comes with, just trust me on that. It also comes with a great looking carrying case that perfectly fits your Mavic and all of its accessories. You also get a bunch of small important things that you may not think are important, like propeller guards, extra propellers, and a battery hub. Now we're basically just going to run through very briefly how the flight experience works. If you want to find an in-depth flight tutorial on how this whole thing works and tips and tricks on how to do it, this is not your place. So if you want that, probably click off after this video is over. But here, you're just going to get a general idea of what it would be like if you own the drone to take it out for a flight. Let's unfold the drone legs and place it down on a flat surface. Give it a few seconds to calibrate its GPS and get its location set up. Once you see the little takeoff permitted words at the top, that means you're ready to go. Once you make sure everything is clear and safe around you, hit the little arrow button on the left side of the screen and hold down the big take off button. This will automatically make your drone launch and hover at 3 feet. So ideally you would want to do this in a wide open field where you don't have to worry about hitting anything, but if you're like me and you're in the city, you don't really have an option like that, your best bet is to just go straight up and make sure you're above all the trees and power lines. This is usually about 90 to 100 feet, just so you don't have to worry about crashing into anything, especially when you're learning. Now let's cut to some of my favorite shots I've gotten with this little guy. So I personally bought the Mavic Mini about 2 months ago, and honestly, this video was all I was looking for. I just wanted a basic rundown of the flight and how some of the shots worked. So I hope if that's what you were looking for, you got an overall idea of like just the experience of owning this drone. So I thought it's been really good so far. This drone may be for you, it may not be for you. I hope this video could give you some help, but if you have any further comments about anything at all regarding this, please leave them in the comments down below. I will try and respond as soon as I can. I am usually very active down there. I'll try and respond within a few hours, if not the hour. I usually respond. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So just again, go leave a comment if you don't understand anything at all. Drop a like, help out the YouTube algorithm. Let more people see this video. If you have anyone that maybe is looking into getting the Mavic, share them this video and that can help them out. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later.